heal the world, make this a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, but if you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. Hello everybody, Lady Cheryl here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, so today is the segment that I do every Tuesday called Tuesday's Fruit. First of all, I want to thank you all for being in my live chat last night. I am so sorry that I couldn't get everything operating perfectly. I'll do a couple of test chats during the week to make sure that all of my settings are correct. But I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all of you that didn't complain and just listen to the information that I was able to deliver to you. Today, I'm going to talk about Concord grapes and my Chandler strawberries, and another surprise at the very end of the video. Guys, I almost had a heart attack when I was watering my food forest yesterday. I discovered that I have the beginnings of elderberries, and I just planted the bush last year during the fall. Okay, let's get started. I am watering my food forest and I'm sitting under the arbor that has some Concord grapes, and I'm just thanking God that everything looks so beautiful. Going closer so you can see these things. Praying for a very good harvest. Watch it. Let's go around to the other side. Nice one. This one is small, but I'll take it. Let's go around to the other side. Nice one. this one is small, but I'll take it. Oh my God. I am watering my food forest, and look what I discovered. Oh my God. Elderberries. Wow. Elderberries, guys. This plant was a stick last fall, 2019. It was just a stick. I haven't fed it anything. And look how tall it is. My privacy fence is 6 feet. So this plant has to be, and if I stake it and turn it up straight, see that fence right there? Look at that. Oh my God. It's 8 feet tall and it has berries. And it's my first time growing them, so now I know what to look for. And I see now this right here is just like the top. It's going to turn into berries. Look at here, guys. This would be a cluster of berries. This would be a cluster of berries. This is going to be a cluster of berries. I feel like Oprah Winfrey. You get a car. You get a car. Wow. Isn't that beautiful, guys? $5 for this tree. I believe the guy's name is Gregory Knight on Facebook. Beautiful, guys. $5 for this tree. I believe the guy's name was Gregory Knight on Facebook. And I bought 13 trees from him. And I've got elderberries the first year. It's not even a year, guys. Wow. I am so happy. Now here are 5 Thompson seedless grapes. And they are 2 years old. I purchased 5 cuttings that were the size of a pencil off of eBay. And every year they would get a really bad fungus and I would fight it. And I decided that I was just going to cut them all the way down. And it was too difficult for me to dig up the roots, so I just covered them with wood chips. Well, they came back. And I decided to just let them grow. I removed the steel posts that I had the vines being anchored and supported with, and I just let them sprawl. And I just don't understand why they didn't get that same fungus this year. So I decided that I'm just going to let them grow wild and see what happens. Because as long as I had them staked upright and trying to train the vines horizontally, they kept getting the fungus. This year, I didn't do anything to them. I didn't feed them anything, and they're just growing like crazy. So I guess they're getting enough nourishment from the wood chips that I put on top of them. So I'm just going to let them go and just see what they do. And if they produce, I won't cut them down. But if they don't produce, I would just pay my landscaper to come in and dig all the roots up. And yeah, I'll keep you guys informed and let you know what happened. If I had to do this all over again, I would have never purchased a seedless type of variety. I don't know. I'm a little apprehensive about buying anything that is seedless. So this concludes this video. I want to thank each and every one of you all for watching my video, and I hope that you would like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done already. Thanks for watching. Bye now.